You better wake up. 'Cause I need a man.
And my heart is set on you.
And on you.
Hey there, welcome to Ben's Plant-Based Kitchen, where I show you the easy, affordable foods I cook, and you should try them too, because it's good for you, your kids, their kids, and the earth.
Hey, I'm Ben, welcome to my Plant-Based Kitchen, where today we have the second episode of a very special mini-series called Juice This! Juice This! Juice This! I can't hover that long. Juice This!
Come closer.
No. Juice this! Juice this! Juice this! Juice this! Juice this! Episode 1 was banana onion juice. Today, for episode 2, we've got the classic orange juice mixed with the not so classic garlic juice. Will they harmonize together, creating a beautiful symphony, or clash apart, destroying the galaxy? That's what we're here to see today. So first off, orange juice is delicious. Classic breakfast juice.
Little sweet.
Little sour.
Everybody loves it. If you don't love it, you suck. Subscribe. Garlic is absolutely delicious. I love it. I put it in most things that I cook. I've got half a head of garlic here because that seemed like a dangerous amount. And we've got one kind of medium-ish orange here. Let's get straight to it. So onion. Onion. I'm hot. I'm sweating. Are you guys hot? So first off, orange. We'll slice her in half. Quarter her. There we go. I'm gonna get rid, oh God. I'm getting rid of the peel because I'm not drinking orange peel juice. All right, we'll get these guys out of here. How do you peel an orange? No! I'm fine. Peel, gone. Flesh to the juicer. Garlic. Bash it. My ear's wet inside. Juice this! Alas, let's make some garlic orange juice. It's anticlimactic. Very garlic forward. Need some garnishes though. Tuck in a little orange. Ooh, garlic rim. Yeah. Time to try out some garlic orange juice. I gotta say, I'm not as nervous about this as the banana onion. It definitely smells real potent with the garlic, but we'll see. Orange. 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 Kind of feels like a wet fish. Orange. Garlic. All right. It really just smells like garlic, not a lot of orange going on in there. We're gonna give it the customary sip first, and we'll go from there.
Run.
The burn.
Oh! This might be worse than banana onion juice. I have eaten garlic cloves before. It's supposed to be good for your health and keep vampires away and all that kind of stuff. Well, this is like 7 of those cloves juiced into this amount. This is an insane amount of garlickiness inside of here. I don't taste really any orange at all. This is just garlic juice essentially. Nikki, we got a special guest star. Nikki's here. Cheers. No! What do you think?
I do not feel good.
So garlic orange juice, highly recommended. It's delicious. You'll see it on the menu of your local 5-star dining restaurant. I'm gonna go check on Nikki. I'm sure she's fine.
No, I'm not.
She's fine. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, tell a friend about it. Go make some garlic orange juice. Probably don't unless you want to ruin your day, like Nick over here. That's it for episode 2 of Juice This. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to follow me on Instagram or any of my other social medias, I got links in the description. Also, if you want to support me on Patreon, your support on there would go a long way for me. Thanks to my patrons, especially Nicole. Couldn't do this without you guys. See you next time.